Missing People and Cold Cases in Hanover, Jamaica. Part 1. A serial killer on the loose. On the 19th of January 2007, Diane Andrea Jackson, who was 27 years old, left her home early to collect a package from a man. The man claimed that he had received something from abroad for her 2-year-old baby. The meeting was to take place in Point Lucy, Hanover, Jamaica. This man introduced himself during a telephone conversation as a cellmate of her boyfriend at the Lucy police station lockup. Diane, who also mothers 3 other children aged 12, 9, and 7, left with her sister America to meet this mysterious man, despite her mother's warnings. Diane's sister recalled that her sister was constantly on her cellular phone. She was reportedly talking to the strange man, who at one point became suspicious and paranoid when he saw that she was with another person. He asked if she was with someone in a red blouse when they neared the meeting place. Diane told him yes, and it looked like he was angry and told her that he did not like crowd. That was when America became suspicious. Diane later went back without her sister and was never seen again. Police combed the parish searching for her. As the Hanover police intensified their search for Diane Jackson, they identified a suspect. He was seen with Diane the day she disappeared. The police also linked the suspect to the murder of a Portland woman called Patrice Clark, aged 25, whose partially decomposed body was discovered 3 days after Diane's disappearance.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Patrice Clark was a babysitter from Windsor Castle in Portland. It is reported that Patrice met her suspected killer through a cellular phone chat room service. According to Detective Inspector David Eblinks, Patrice Clark left her Portland home at about 5 a.m. the day after Diane went missing. During the day, she told a friend, via a telephone conversation, that she was having a meal at Burger King in Montego Bay. Patrice reportedly also told the friend that after eating, she was going to see a friend before returning to Portland. Her partially decomposed body was discovered 2 days after, in bushes more than a mile above the home of the suspect in Elgin Town in Hanover. It was while the cops were questioning the suspect when he answered a cellular telephone that he had in his possession. During the telephone conversation, the detectives gleaned that the phone was not his. They spoke to the person at the other end of the line, who turned out to be one of Patrice's relatives. The man, who allegedly was from Elgin Town himself, was released on a $150,000 bail on rape and attempted murder charges. No updates on the case has been made public since. There is no accessible public record of the suspect's name or his photograph available online.
Check out the playlist below